Hey there, welcome to today's video where we're going to tackle a common problem that many Homebrew users face. The issue at hand is the uninstallation of the hefty 383 MB GCC package and the confusion surrounding Homebrew's dependency on it in the year 2023. Perhaps you found yourself in a similar dilemma, wondering if Homebrew still requires GCC or if it's safe to bid it farewell. Now, let's delve into the solution to this GCC conundrum. It turns out that Homebrew no longer relies on its own GCC package, but instead utilizes the Xcode command line tools, which come equipped with Clang as a compiler. This means that unless you have specific requirements for GCC, such as compatibility with certain software, you can go ahead and uninstall it without any worries. So, rest assured that Homebrew has moved on from its GCC days, paving the way for a smoother user experience. In summary, if you're contemplating removing GCC from your Homebrew setup, go right ahead. Homebrew has transitioned to utilizing the Xcode command line tools, making GCC obsolete for most users. Feel free to declutter your system and bid farewell to that hefty 383 MB package. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Until next time, happy brewing.